Okay, so now we have the project cloned and ported to our own GitHub profile. So now we can clone this project. So I'm gonna copy the link and come here to my terminal. I'm gonna zoom it a little bit, and in the current directory I do not have anything. I'm gonna clone that by using the Git. If you do not have Git, go and install it. It's the GitHub manager, kind of like you can push and pull and do whatever you want with the your GitHub repository or project. So I'm gonna clone this project, and it's gonna be stored in the Laravel dash e-commerce dash website. And if I want, I can pass another like project name, folder name as well. Like if I type e-commerce, it will be stored in that folder. Let's go with the default one. It's going to be stored in Laravel dash e-commerce dash website folder. So let's wait for this to clone the project, and then we will continue from there. Okay, so the project has been cloned. Now we can see that right here. So I'm gonna cd into that directory, and now we can see that project is right here. So let's open the code editor in the current directory, and also I'm gonna copy the env file to .env, and we can create the keys and stuff like that. So I'm gonna use php artisan. Let's link the storage link. Oh yeah, we have to execute the composer install. Sorry for that. Composer install. This will allow us to install the php dependencies for this project. It's using Laravel 10, not that old. Till that, we can look at the env file. So I have opened that in the code editor. I'm using VS Code. So let's set the env file. Since we are going to be using the artisan command, so the server is running as localhost or 127.0.0.1, and on default that is 8000 port, and let's say e-commerce. I have Copilot installed, that's why it's gonna auto complete the things. Database name is going to be Laravel. We can change it to e-commerce as well. Okay, so the composer dependencies are installed. Now we can use the or execute the storage link as well as key generate to generate the key. Now we can execute the artisan migrate command dash seed. If there is any seeds, we do not know, but let's see if it has. It is going to show an error. Database e-commerce does not exist, so I'm using XAMPP server on Windows. So let's create that. Okay, I created the database. Now I can execute php artisan migrate dash fresh dash seed. If there is any seeds, I think there is no seed. So now we can execute the npm install command if there is any node modules. Since this project do not have any specifications in the readme file, that's why we have to do this. And once we explore everything, we can create or update their readme file and put the things accordingly, like just like we saw in the Chatify package. So we will do as like that. Okay, after that I'm gonna execute npm run build. Since for now we are going to be just testing the application and exploring the features, so that's why I'm going to build and not execute npm run dev. And now since that is done, we can serve the application using php artisan server. Since it's up and running, we can serve the application in the next video. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.